Edit your group photo on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your group photo on Facebook app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook, click on it and click on those three lines, go to your page. Once you are in your page, click on groups and choose the group you want. Now all you need to do is click on edit and you're gonna find upload photo. Click on it and choose a picture from your gallery. First thing, you should upload a photo or make or edit a photo to upload it from here. Once you choose a photo, just click on it and click on done, and they're gonna edit your group photo. So easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.